Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can save a Clipchamp video. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Microsoft Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, brand kits, templates, and right here, you're going to find all of your folders. Here, as you can see guys in the center of your screen, you're going to find the option to create a new video. And here you can create a video with AI. So right now I'm going to click on create a new video. And then once you click on it, you're going to be right here. So basically guys, right here, you're going to find all of the options and all of the tools that you would need in order to customize your video. So right now, the first thing that you need to do guys is add your video. So go ahead and click on import media. And then you can choose any video that you want from your computer. For example, I'm going to select this one, double click on it, and then as you can see, guys, it's added right here. So right now you need to add it to the timeline. You can either add it by clicking on the plus icon, or you can drag it directly right here. Once you add your video, right here, you can use these tools to customize your video. For example, I'm gonna choose or I'm gonna add a filter, for example, this one. You can also add some effects. For example, I'm going to add this effect. I'm going to decrease the intensity a little bit like this. And then once you finish customizing your video, just go ahead and click on export. Then choose the quality you want to export the video with. And then you're going to be able to save your video. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.